With the end of Supercross, we're now getting into the who's going to race where, either the Nationals or WSX or even Canadian Nationals. But we do have, I think, 17 riders confirmed for WSX right now. In the comments below, at least 450 riders. I'm going to say that. In the comments below, I want to hear who you think is going to win. I don't know. Is it Roczen or one of the other guys we talked about? But getting into it, obviously, Ken Roczen, the high-profile guy. Of course, everyone knows he signed up for it. Following him, we have Kyle Chisholm, Colt Nichols, Joey Savacci, Dean Wilson, Justin Brayton, Cedric Subras. I'm sorry if I absolutely butchered that last name. I probably did. Justin Hill, Jordi Tixier. Yeah, he's French. Tixier. Greg Arnada. Arenda. I'm butchering all these. I'm sorry. Thomas Ramet, Matt Ross, who is a Australian. Luke Nees, Cade Clayson, Mike Alessi, Cole Seeley, and Vince Freeze, supposedly. That's a pretty big, and there's still more to be announced. The page I'm looking at from the WSX website, WSXchampionship.com, so this is the official site. Still has 3 people, or 2 teams maybe, but 3 people to be announced to see. That's going to be, there's some big names here. Obviously, Ken Roczen coming back from last year, defending his title. Chisholm, who had a good year this year. Dean Wilson, who had probably one of his better Supercross years. And then you get the mix of, like, these are people that, at least being from the American side of things and seeing Supercross, there's some names obviously but then you start getting, like, the French riders, the Australian riders, and it's going to be that nice little mix of, like, who's better than who. But I don't know. It'll be neat. And again, comment down below. Tell me who you think's going to win 450. And just tell me what you think. I guess I'll do a separate video for 250 guys, because there's a lot of those too. But again, comment down below. Tell me who you think's going to win the 450 Supercross, World Supercross. Sorry. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.